In the vast expanse of the universe, two cosmic giants, the Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxies, stand as neighbors, each oblivious to the presence of the other. Still, their fates are intertwined, as they are hurtling toward each other at a staggering speed of about 110 kilometers per second, about 68 miles per second. This tremendous velocity is driven by the gravitational force that binds them together, pulling them closer with each passing moment. Andromeda and the Milky Way Galaxy are predicted to collide after approximately 4 billion years. This event is not merely a chance encounter but the culmination of a gravitational dance that has unfolded over billions of years, shaping the fate of these galactic giants. We may not be able to witness one of the most epic events in the history of our universe, but this video about the collision of Andromeda and the Milky Way Galaxy can certainly be discussed. For billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies have danced through the universe, unaware of each other's existence. But as the ages pass, their gravitational pull draws them inexorably closer, setting the stage for a cosmic collision of epic proportions. As galaxies merge, their massive gravitational forces will reshape their spiral structures, causing a cosmic upheaval of stars and gas clouds. The collision will spark a frenzy of new star formation, spawning glittering celestial bodies in the chaos. After billions of years of cosmic chaos, the dust will settle and a new galaxy will emerge from the ashes of the collision as the Milky Way and Andromeda merge into a giant elliptical galaxy that will forever change the cosmic landscape of our corner of the universe. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies serves as a poignant reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. It underscores the inexorable march of cosmic evolution driven by the immutable laws of gravity and the limitless creativity of the universe. So my space lover viewers, we almost all know that our universe is constantly expanding, or the space of the universe is getting bigger now. The question is, the expansion of the universe means that every object in the universe is moving away from each other, and other galaxies are also moving away from each other. But why are the opposite galaxies, the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy, approaching each other instead of moving away? If you want to know about this, please watch this video that came on the screen. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.